Welcome to Bowlooner Adventures. In this video, as part of our 3-minute tutorials, we cover removal of the spare wheel. Firstly, locate your van's tool compartment in the passenger footwell. Release the lid. Easiest way is with a small coin. Insert it and turn it 90 degrees or quarter of a turn. Once inside, you'll see the bottle jack and a tool bag. Take out the tool bag, as everything you'll need to release the spare wheel is in there. Make your way to the rear of the van and open both back doors. Locate these two square covers in the plastic of the rear of the van floor. From the tool bag, remove the screwdriver. You'll use this to pop off the covers to reveal these two bolt heads. Now use the wheel brace tyre iron to lower the hooks beneath the van which hold the spare wheel carrier. Turn each of the two bolts 10 to 20 full turns counterclockwise. Don't forget to like the video if you're getting anything from it, and also subscribe to the channel for more of these 3-minute maintenance videos. We are now ready to unhook the carrier. Start on the left side as you look at it at the rear of the van and unhook that side first. Then move to the right side and insert the wheel brace tyre iron handle into the tube shown here. This will allow for better leverage and control to unhook this side and gently lower the wheel carrier to the ground and remove the spare wheel. Remember guys, give us a like, and we're also getting the van prepped for another epic European adventure in the summer. So if you're interested in the camper vans, give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in another video really soon.